everyone, welcome to Sampark, an initiative of Phenom Placements. In this program, we do video interaction with professionals to share their views and opinions. Today, we have with us Ms. Yashika Tibrewal and Mr. Ashish Agarwal from Kolkata. They both are July 21 batch rank holder CAs. Yashika has secured rank 18. She is doing her articleship from Salarpuri and Partners. Ashish has secured All India rank 36 and has done his articleship from PwC. Congrats Yashika and Ashish, and thank you so much for taking out your time for this conversation.
Thank you so much, Chanchal, and thank you, Yashika. It is great to have you by my side on the interviews also, because we have been friends for so long, and having you on the panel for the interview, and we both being the interviewees, it feels great.
So I will start my conversation with Yashika and Ashish. So first question is, what's special about a ranker strategy to crack CA exam?
Okay, hello everyone. So I don't think I had any particular strategy in mind to score a rank, but I just had one aim in my mind that I did not want to go through this entire process of 4 or 5 months sitting back at home doing absolutely nothing other than studying for another time. I had just my goal was to clear my CA in first attempt. So being that in mind, I gave my best. I gave my hard work, studying at night, doing everything I could to clear it in first attempt.
Perfect. I think so. I and Yashika have the same thoughts on this. The Arjuna I that we look upon, and that we had a goal focused. What is to be done. Though our paths could be different, our strategies could be different, but we had a goal focus that we do not want to repeat this complete set of things and do so much of hard work again. So we put in our 100% in the first attempt itself. So we can stop. I think.
Well said, both of you. So the next question is, dream role or career path?
Okay, so I will take up this question. Dream role or career path? Actually, I have been thinking of it since the initiation of the course, and I thought that I would get into management consultancy, because that is where I think that I can do the best of my brainstorming and get the best of value addition what I can make.
Okay, so I would actually go look for going into the industry first, and see how everything works now. Because we do not have a first-hand experience of industry right now. So even if I want to go for consultancy at a later period, I would want to understand how every department in the industry works. So I think a management trainee role would be good to start with for me. So moving forward, I can understand how everything works there, and then take up a particular department which builds my interest.
Good to know about your future plans, both of you. Okay, so moving forward to our next question is, how to make balance between articleship, personal life, coaching and self-studies?
Okay,
Ashish.
that's actually an interesting question. See, what I think, if I would just phase off the other part, that is self study for once, because what I understand is self study can be done in the leave period, say in the last 5 months or the last 4 months which you have for the leave. So that is the best period we can do an effective self study. And for the balance part, it's a preference theory what we need to apply everywhere, because you need to set your preferences whether articleship is important for you, or the other part, that is a work life balance, or something else is important to you, because once you do the preferencing thing, you can manage anything.
Okay, what's your opinion on Ashika?
I agree with Ashish here that I don't think so. There can be a perfect balance between these two. You always have to prioritize one of these. You cannot, I don't think so. After doing the coaching classes early in the morning, then going for articleship, you have strength for going for your personal life. So we obviously need to prioritize one of these, and we need to see what matters most to us and go forward with it.
That's great. So, my last question from both of you is, family and friends' contribution in success?
See, family and friends take a huge portion of your success, because it is because of their backing that we stand here today. If you talk about the family's contribution, that is utmost, because they are the ones who are doing it without any self-interest. Your mother or your father, as in my case, they were doing it out of they did not have any interest in that. It was just so selfless, and like my mother used to be awake even at 1 a.m. in the night where I was studying. She used to make a coffee for me. So those uncountable contributions which I cannot explain. And on the friends part, I think so Yashika would take it up, because we both had studied together for a period of the time during the exam hours. So I think she would explain it well.
Okay, like I totally agree with Ashish. We cannot even explain it in words how what our friends and family's contribution was. Like he said, even my mother used to be awake at night, used to check up on me if I need anything, if I'm even used to, make me sleep properly if I used to sometimes fell asleep on my books. So that is one thing. And talking about friends, we obviously had, everyone has that some small group of friends who they can always go up to whenever they get stuck at anywhere. So Ashish was one of them. We used to always talk ourselves out whenever we used to get stuck at any point, whenever we used to feel down that we don't want to study at this time, we cannot do anymore, हो गया बस अब और नहीं होगा. So we used to motivate each other, even that we used to think that the other person might be studying, so we should also go for it. So there was a competition streak also between us. Plus we used to always help each other out whenever we used to get stuck.
Exactly, the combination of support and fear, that is what has led
Totally
us to
agree
here.
with both of you. Okay, it was amazing to interact with you both. I'm sure our viewers will like it a lot. I wish you both success in your life and stay in touch.
Thank you so much, Chanchal.
Thank you, Chanchal.
Okay, so thank you viewers. If you have any suggestions, comments and inputs for our show, please send it to us. Please do share, like and subscribe. Enjoy. Bye bye.